Hello, bug friends. Today, our virtual tour takes us to the cloud forest of Ecuador to bring you this absolutely gorgeous unit of a millipede. These guys were literally everywhere and they are so beautiful. And as you watch the video, I want you to pay close attention to how the legs move, because that's what we're going to be talking about today.
When you look at a millipede, you'll notice that it walks in a wave-like pattern, and this is because of how the arthropod is just built internally. Millipedes do have a brain. I know, surprising, but they do. It looks a little bit different than ours, but they have one. And along the length of the arthropod is the ventral nerve cord. Stemming off of the ventral nerve cord on either side are things called ganglia, which are little nerve clusters. Ganglia are very commonly found in arthropods, and this is how the muscles are controlled. They're, again, just little nerve clusters that send electrical impulses to move the muscles. So in each segment, there are ganglia in the millipede that are connected to the ventral nerve cord. And when they receive a signal, they fire and move the legs. So as the signal, as the electrical impulse travels down the length of the millipede, each of the ganglia are being stimulated, which is why we see this wave-like pattern. Want to see millipedes like this and learn how to draw them and note their behavior? Well, come on our nature journaling tour. Link is in the description.